We'll guide you through how to import PDF files into Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once you have it open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open. This will bring up a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location where your PDF file is stored. Click on the PDF file you wish to import and then click Open. Inkscape will now present you with the PDF import settings dialog box. Here, you can choose the pages you want to import. If your PDF has multiple pages, you can either import all pages or specify a range. Under Import, make sure Internal Import is selected for the best results. You can also set the resolution and enable or disable anti-aliasing according to your preference. Click OK when you're done setting your preferences. Inkscape will now import the PDF into your workspace. You may notice that the text may not be selectable or editable to edit the text. You might need to ungroup the objects. Select the imported PDF, go to Object in the top menu and click Ungroup. This will allow you to move and edit the elements individually. Remember, Inkscape is vector-based, so the quality of your imported PDF will stay intact when scaling. Now you're ready to edit your PDF as needed in Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.